we're going to go over some manufacturer suggestions of the Dyno Paws Cyclone Dog Leash. But before we do that, we want to go over a few benefits. One is this leash is extremely strong. It's strong enough to actually tow a small Toyota pickup that weighs over 3,000 pounds. And it's double the material and strength of your average leash. It actually has basically 2 leashes in one with the double material. It has a swivel that's super strong and easy, and the clasp, which is super strong. So a few things you want to go over before each use of the Dyno Paws Cyclone Dog Leash is to check the fabric. Make sure there's no cuts or tears. Give a visual inspection. Feel with your hands. Some dogs chew at leashes. If yours does, train them not to. I know my dog, Ace, he used to try to chew at it, but we train him not to do that. So give a quick look of the fabric. The other thing is make sure your clasp is engaging properly. You want to make sure that it's working, swiveling, and opening and closing properly. What we're going to do next is go over how to use the leash with your dog. Okay, we are going to do a loose leash walk. You want to hold the first handle, the one furthest from the dog's attachment point. Come on, boy. Come on. The next walk we're going to do is the heel position walk. You want to hold the leash in your left hand. That's handle number 1. Handle number 2 in the second hand. That's your traffic control. Good boy. Good boy. The next walk you can do is similar to a heel walk. It basically is, but if you want to free up your other hand, you can just double it up like this and then walk. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, care instructions in washing the Dyno Paws Cyclone Dog Leash. All you need is some water and some mild soap, and you can just take a cloth and just rub it down lightly and clean any dirt or film off of it. It's real simple to do, real easy, and I suggest doing that as often as needed.
Cyclone Dog Leash. This thing's strong. It's like a tornado. Cyclone.